Hello, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, girlies, we are back. It is Renee Daniela. Welcome to OwnByFemme.TV. I haven't said that in so long, and it feels really good to be recording again. So shout out to Mielle Organics. They are the sponsors of this video. They've given me a little challenge, guys. We're gonna do 5 days in my life, and I'm showing you how their latest line, the Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera line, I've got it right here. They want me to show you how it wears and fares on my hair over the next 5 days, because it is a deep hydration line, and it is meant to maintain hydration in your hair so that you can keep your style for up to 5 days. So I'm going to show you guys day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and we can see how my hair maintains, and we can see if we're getting that deep hydration that this Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera line is meant to give. Really excited to have you guys join me for a week in my line. And just some of what we got in store: I am in the gym. In 10 days, I'm flying to Trinidad for Trinidad Carnival. I am working out to try to get in the best shape I can between now and then. Snatched waist. I'm also redoing my entire wardrobe. Find those key pieces that I love, that I want to keep. Get rid of anything that I don't love, don't want to keep. And then we are going to start fresh. Let's get started on this hair. Oh, I look insane right now. So we're gonna just speed through this, but basically I'm gonna do my wash and go. We're gonna get my hair clean, my scalp clean, and then we're gonna go in with the deep conditioner, and then we're gonna come out and I'll do all the stylers. Okay, my lovelies. So we're gonna go and completely drench these curls and then start with the deep hydration shampoo. And I love that it's actually sulfate free and gives a gentle enough cleanse, so you can kind of remove all the product buildup and residue, but without completely stripping your hair of its natural moisture. And personally, I've been experiencing some dry scalp, so I used my scalp massager and then decided to do a double shampoo just to really target the scalp and, you know, make sure we're starting this week with a fresh slate here. Now, I do love me a quick and effective product, so let's get right into the 2-minute deep conditioner. It's meant to penetrate deep into the hair to quickly deliver hydration and revive dry, brittle strands, so that your hair's going to be softer, more hydrated, and overall more manageable. This liquid's great for detangling, so I pop my hair into a couple of braids for the 2 minutes, and then I rinsed it on cool. Okay, so yeah, I was just doing a quick spritz of some water to kind of rehydrate. Mielle Organics does say to apply the products on damp, like properly damp hair, so I had a few areas that were getting dry because it took a second to put a little foundation on. So anyway, we're gonna go in with the stylers and get these curls popping. So excited for dinner. I just was literally talking to the girls in the group chat, and we are going to a cute little restaurant in Santa Monica for dinner tonight for like a Galentine's. So I want to look really nice. So the first product I'm applying is this really groovy multitasking leave-in conditioner, which you can also use as a color refresher or a detangler. And I absolutely love this kind of even flow spray applicator bottle. So once that has absorbed, I follow up with the curl forming glaze. And now this is a cream gel, and it's going to give your curls a defining hold, but simultaneously hydrate and moisturize them for that juicy, bouncy look. But a couple of tips for best results: you are meant to apply these products on damp hair in small sections, and then not to oversaturate your hair with any product. So definitely be mindful of the amount, and then again, be sure to let the leave-in conditioner absorb properly before you apply the glaze, and that's just to make sure the products don't clump. And I'm definitely the kind of girly who struggles to get my styles to last and like to retain moisture, because once I color treated my hair, all bets were off. So I'm excited to see how these products work for me. I have finished applying all the products, so I don't want to play with my hair, manipulate it at all. I just want these products to sit and absorb, and then I'm gonna go in with the diffuser on like low heat, low pressure, just to kind of finish it off. Okay, so just like that, we are done. I feel like my curls came out so good. I'm even really loving the shade. My hair is a little bit damp still, but I've got about 20 minutes before I need to go, so I've got to go get dressed. I don't really have enough time. I think I can just let it air dry the rest of the way. So I'm gonna go in with the weightless oil just to kind of finish it off, give it a nice scrunch, lock in all that beautiful hydration and moisture, and then we are done with the styling, guys. This is it for the next 5 days. So yeah, this is the weightless oil. It is the perfect finisher. It's gonna add shine and lock in all the moisture. This smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, feels amazing on the hair. Like, my hair feels so good. Okay, enough of that. The hair is done, the outfit is on, and I'm ready to go meet the girls. Oh, it's so cute.
You're all looking lovely, ladies.
Happy Valentine's Day! Good morning, good morning. Last night was so much fun, but I have a gym session today. I have to leave in about 20 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the bonnet. Ah, there she is. Because I'm going to my workout, I'm just gonna pull it back into a little like satin ponytail and then we'll style it later after my workout. But yeah, it looks good, honey. Okay, let's go get dressed and go work out. I've just gotten home from my workout and I took my little sweatband off and I took the hair tie out and the curls look fabulous. So I'm gonna take a bath, have a nice little relax. My muscles are so sore. I just wanted to show you guys kind of what it looks like after the workout. My hair still looks fabulous, but on this fine Sunday, I have woken up feeling extra motivated. I'm gonna refresh and reorganize my entire wardrobe today because this is a big task and a big project that I've been putting off forever. And I've got this gorgeous Sunday. It's like sunny and fabulous in LA. I'm gonna pop open my doors and let that cool breeze come in and motivate me. Well, good morning, lovely people. It is day 4. We are gonna do our little reveal. So yesterday I started on my closet refresh. That motivation dissipated quickly, no worries, because today is a new day and I'm feeling much more motivated. Oh, look at these curls. Obviously, the thing about a bonnet, it is gonna give you a bit of some creases and indentations here and there, but otherwise, the hair is so soft and it's still so hydrated and it's flexible. Look at that. Look at that movement. So on the agenda for today, we have organizing that closet. We are still finishing this refresh. We have a few other DIY projects. We've got work and then I have the gym at 6 p.m. This is my last week in the gym before Trinidad Carnival crunch time. Go to the gym. So yeah, that's the rundown for today. Let's get our day started.
Contribute 27,954, even without adding a single penny. Your returns and for an extra £1 for every dollar. Your employer will also contribute.
Okay, my lovelies, it is night 4 and tomorrow we will see like how my hair has done on day 5. I am feeling really good about it. Like I'm shocked at how flexible it is. Seeing so much curl definition still going and it's soft. Anyway, I am exhausted. I've got an 8 a.m. workout tomorrow, so I'm putting the bonnet on and we are going to bed. Okay, officially day 5. I'm feeling great. You see the body? Oh, the results are coming in, guys. But that's beside the point. It is day 5. Let us do our final reveal. Okay, hold on. Ooh, feels good. Let that scalp get that circulation going. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes. This is great. These mane stylers are so effective. Hold on. Let's give the styler a lip. Oh, that's a nice look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to OwnByFemme.TV. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, Mielle. Guys, go try the Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera line. Okay, that's it for me.